Welcome back to the channel. It's your host Rob with shopebikes.com. I have with me the Magnum Pathfinder, and here I am today responding to your questions. So YouTuber VB1 asked how far I would get if I was just doing throttle only. We're gonna take it the distance. I'm gonna see how far this thing will go, throttle only. Obviously I'm gonna have to hit the brakes and stuff like that, slow down for turns, but I will not be pedaling. I will only be using the throttle, and let's see how far we go. I do have with me a spare battery, and it is fully charged up. So let's make sure this thing has juice. All right, we're full. We're gonna make it to red. And away we go. Keep running into people. That dude really wanted to know about this Pathfinder. He was nerding out about this bike. But let's see, I just took a second to admire this beautiful view. But let's see, we've used about 20% of our battery, and it looks like we've traveled 10 miles. Let the trip continue. All right, well, unfortunately we made it to the end of this trail. Which I thought this trail was longer, but now I'm excited to see the end of the other side of the trail because I know we can make it there on this battery. Well, just like all video adventures, I got distracted. What is this? What is it? Why is this here? All the land drained by a river. Okay. Ah, what a pretty day. Back to your scheduled programming. So we have made it 17 miles into our trip. Looks like we have 20% battery left. So I think this is actually gonna go further than Magnum actually says on their website. Let's find out. Look how pretty the river is. The Kashlaputer River in all its glory. I've never gone this far on this trail before. This has been really fun. Now we must be getting into the red zone because I heard a beep. I'm not sure if that was actually the bike or one of the GoPros about to die. Surprisingly, they have the same type of battery life. So we're almost dead. just made it to the end of the county trail, which I am so far away from home. It's unbelievable. I did not know that our bike trail went that far. Take advantage of the Spring Creek Trail and the Pooter Trail if you ever come to Fort Collins. So at this point, the Magnum Pathfinder is sitting at 10% battery, and we've gone 22 miles. But since we've reached the end of the trail, I'm gonna have to use this 10% to get us a little bit further, and let's see what the actual tally is. It's so pretty. Look at all the fall colors. It's really pretty out. All right, so the battery is flashing, and we can no longer go 20 miles per hour. We're sitting here at 13, but we still have juice. I can't believe we still have juice. This is something I don't recommend you do. This is why I'm doing it, so you don't have to, because this really hurts your right hand. Having to pull back on that throttle the whole time. If I was using the Magnum Cruiser, it'd probably be a lot easier with that thumb throttle. I cannot believe we still have juice. Here we go, this will probably kill it. A little bit of an incline. At this point, I want this battery to die. I've been out here for hours. This is like the perpetual electric bike machine. I think it's, nope, we still have juice. I'm gonna keep throttling it until it dies. I guess I'm just gonna do loops in this tennis court until it's done. All right, this thing doesn't want to die, so I guess we're going back on the trail. We're not going fast, but we still have juice. Well, you're never gonna believe it, but we just made it 30 miles. This battery is fully cooked. There is nothing left. Out with the old, in with the new. Quite impressed. And since we're doing research today anyway, I have a new battery in because I have to make it home. But this time it's not gonna be full throttle. I'm gonna play with the pedal assist the whole time. And we're gonna see how much battery I utilize by taking advantage of the pedal assist modes. Unfortunately, all my GoPros are dead because that was a very long ride. So I'm gonna ride this back home and I'll let you guys know how much battery is left. Here comes the ride. 30 miles later, I'm back home. Let's see how much battery we still have left. We still have half a battery. And that was a great suggestion. Thank you for leaving that in the comments. If you guys have any other questions that are similar to that, leave them in the comments. If you're in the market for an electric bike, please go to shopebikes.com. We do free shipping in the US. We also have accessories and stuff. Check back next week for some more electric bike content, and have a great day. Bye.